Hello, I am back again with two more folios, traveler's notebook folio type things. I can't remember exactly what she calls them, but I took Nick the Booksmith's course to learn how to make these. They're just like the ones I made before, only I kind of put my own little, I did them a little differently. Don't know why I did that, but I did. Instead of putting the brown corners on, I put hard corners from Butterbee Scraps on here. And these are from Nick the Booksmith. This paper line is, oh my goodness, I can't remember the name of it. Let me see. Sorry. I do not have it with me, I'm sorry. But yeah, I don't remember what paper line this is from. Sorry. But these have thick canvas spines, and they have the bands in them. And yeah, they're super cute. They're so fun to make. Oh my goodness, I love these. Super fun. Super, super fun. This one I put a Tim Holtz post, and this I did the Nick the Booksmith little circle thingy-majiggy. And yeah, let's start out with this one. They have two inserts in them. This is 7 Gypsies paper right here, I believe. Let me get, I gotta sit down, sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay. And this paper, I don't remember where all the papers come from, because I just pulled it out of my stash because I have so much random papers. So I just said I'm just going to make a bunch of stuff up with all this random paper. So yeah, and this tabby, I used this punch for the tabs. We Are Memory Keeper tab punch on them. And I just sewed some paper together there. And the punch on the top of this one is this guy right here. And I got it off of eBay. EK is the brand of it, I think. I don't know. But I got it off eBay. So here we go. Ledger paper. I got this stuff on me now. Sticky stuff. Okay. Everything is coffee dyed. This is out of, these old book pages are out of a Reader's Digest, and I just love these watercolor pictures and stuff on them. Little Tim Holtz person tucked in that Tsunami Rose black and white printable. And here are two little tickets that are Nick the Booksmith's Tim Holtz tag. And in here I put a bunch of, well, 3 of them, Tsunami Rose black and white printables, and I just fussy cut them out. And this is tracing paper. I just ruffled it up and sewed it on. Some map. Lots and lots of journaling. And there is the middle. There's the band. I left it long in case you like them tighter or looser or whatever you want to do with them. So I just left those like that. And a little tuck spot with Tim Holtz. And an index card. And this is vintage wallpaper right here. Samples. And in here are these two. This is the old design shop back on coffee dyed paper. Oops. Another wallpaper pocket, and he is not a tuck, I don't think. Can't remember if I left him as a tuck or glued him down. Well, you can tuck something under him, but you don't have to, but you can. This is Tim Holtz ephemera, and this is just some extra writing paper with some seam binding, and that tag I made. Oh, come on. Hands. Am I in frame, hopefully? Okay. That's the first signature. And it can be, you know how that goes. These envelopes are from Old Design Shop. This is Nick the Booksmith. And I just added this inked up old music note paper, and this flips out. And there's a bunch of old school paper under here for journaling. And in the pocket is an old postcard that I got. North Front, it says. I super love it. So cool. Does it? Built in 1844. That home front was. And I just loved the photo, so I just stuck that in there like so you could see through it. And on the back side over here is a bunch more paper to write on, and you flip it up. There's a pocket and just extra journaling here. And this is from Old Design Shop. I just tucked those in there. And this flips out, and there's another little pocket. Some more tracing paper trim. A little Savannah tag she made me. I love that, so cute. And this is a little bag that flips out. It's got a little wallpaper pocket right here, and I guess I didn't stick anything in there. This is a tuck spot. Let's see if I can find something to tuck in it. How about this little thing? I'll have to go through these if I didn't put stuff in pockets. Like I said, it's 100 degrees here, so a little tuck spot and some extra paper with some tracing paper on top. Oh, I cut that. What? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to put some washi tape on there. I can't believe I cut that. I'm gonna leave it open so I remember to fix it. I want it to be a flip. Either I'll have to cut it off or add some washi. Oh my word. What did I do? I must have got in a hurry apparently. And you can tuck behind here. Another little Tsunami Rose, and this is an old receipt, copy of an old receipt. More paper, and this is out of that Reader's Digest. I love the photo, so I just used it as a flip, and behind here is a big old pocket, and here is a pocket. That's Old Design Shop. And I just put those in there, and that flips back. And then there you go. That's the back. I didn't want to cover up this paper because I really liked it. So, yeah, that is that one. I'm going to leave that like that because I want to fix it. Let's go to this one really quick. Again, it has the bands in this one. I love this paper. And it has the book corners. And a Tim Holtz post. Make sure I'm in frame. I love this paper inside, so I didn't put pockets. And again, the tabs are on this one. Little pockets, little ephemera in there. Get a little stamping. A little tuck spot. And this is journaling. Little Tim Holtz person just clipped on there. Some more Reader's Digest. And a little tuck spot backed with coffee dyed paper. I'm going to flip through this one pretty fast because it's basically about the same thing, only just a different little layout. Got a little pocket up here, backed with coffee dyed paper. Everything's sewn, mostly. If it's sewn, it's backed with coffee dyed paper. And this is a little bag. And postcard. Oh my word. Can't speak. And then I just stuffed this pocket with a bunch of little ephemera, Mrs. Coggs, and then there's Love Junk Journals as well in here. Tracy's Shop. That's the first insert. Then here is another one of them envelopes, and this time I put one of these inside, which I love, and it's written on the back. I think they're so cool. I love those old library things. Some more notebook paper, or old school paper. And some more on this side, just a whole bunch of paper on this side. And this one's got sewn muslin. Wallpaper pocket. Another little booklet with paper. And a little card there from some Happy Mail. And this is from Lindsay's Shop, which I love, and it's backed on coffee dyed paper. Nevermore Creation 17. She will be in the description below. And this is just a paper clip that's holding on that as well. And this is a little seed pocket that you can put stuff in. And it's just tucked under there, and this flips out. Another wallpaper pocket with some sewn trim. Another one of these amazing things that I love. And Tracy's Shop and Mrs. Cox. Old Design Shop. Some more of that. This is Nick the Booksmith, and it's just a bookmark that's backed on cardstock. I love this too, backed on cardstock. And a little pocket right here. Just some extra paper, and that is Nick the Booksmith. This is like a big old extra cutoff. Another wallpaper pocket and 2 tags. And that is the last signature. And then there's this little pocket. And this is a big old booklet of paper, extra cut-off paper to write in. And then this is off of Pinterest. And then this pocket has this one, which is Tracy's Shop, I think. Love Junk Journals. And then another one of these digest pages, and it flips out. It's got Old Design Shop and a pocket. Another one of these amazing things. Computer thingies, majingies. I don't know what exactly they're called, but I love them. And I don't want to get rid of them, but that's me. And then there's a little pocket. And that is this little guy. And I will put the link to Nick the Booksmith's course below. Oh, I smashed it. Ah! And yeah, I'm going to leave that because I got to fix it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you want a chance to win when I hit 4,000. I have some goodies to give away, and I can't wait to give them away. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Have a great day. Bye-bye.